Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we're going to be comparing a bunch of different speakers here. I know it doesn't look fair, and that's fine. It's just for those of you who are wondering how these speakers will compare to one another. So we'll just start at the beginning here. We have the JBL. This is the Encore. And just to let you know, it has one 5.25-inch woofer, two 1.75-inch tweeters. It's 100 watts, 13.89 pounds. Next speaker up here is a Sony XB5. This is two 5-inch woofers, two 2-inch tweeters, 260 watts, 15.4 pounds. Then we have the JBL Partybox 310. This has two 6.5-inch woofers, two 2.5-inch tweeters, 240 watts, 38.4 pounds. So you heard that right. The XB5 supposedly has 20 watts more than the JBL Partybox 310. So we're going to see how that actually plays out here, but let's keep going here. So, and then we have the JBL Partybox 710. And the JBL Partybox 710 is actually two 8-inch woofers, two 2.75-inch tweeters, 800 watts, 61 pounds. And then finally, we have the LG CK99. This is the beast of them all right here. It's two 15-inch woofers, two 6-inch mids, two 1-inch tweeters, peak of 5,000 watts supposedly, or 1,250 watts times 2. So each one of these speakers here, each one of these boxes is 1,250 watts, and each box weighs 82 pounds. So there you have it. Those are all the speakers we're going to be showing you here today. And the song that we're going to be playing on it, we're just going to play one song for you. We're going to play Vampire from YouTube, just so you could see how the bass sounds, and it also does have some mids and treble in there as well. So it'll kind of give you an idea of what each one of these speakers is going to be able to do. We'll be right back. I'm just going to take my mic off and we're going to get started. right, guys, so that is it for these speakers. So we just did the JBL Encore, the Sony XB5, we did the JBL Partybox 310, JBL Partybox 710, and the LG CK99. So, I mean, honestly, it wasn't really fair when you start on this side and you go all the way over to this side, but the JBL Encore, that is definitely a surprising speaker. If you want to get some bass, you want to get some good highs and treble and everything, that's a great speaker. It takes up barely any space. It's water resistant. It has a battery in it, or you can plug it in. And it also comes with 2 wireless microphones. So that's just a great speaker, the JBL Encore. And I highly recommend that speaker. The Sony XB5, this is a speaker we had for a really, really long time since it first came out. So I got to give this speaker some love. This was our only speaker. It did a lot of parties for us and brought us a lot of enjoyment. And I know right now it's kind of just overshadowed by these JBLs. And sorry, Sony, nothing we can do about that. But then we get over here to the JBL Partybox 310. This is a great speaker. It does have a battery in it, lasts quite a long time. And it also has a handle you can carry it around with. It has wheels on it. Really cool speaker, really loud, lots of bass. It's just a great overall speaker. I really like it. And then we get over here to the JBL Partybox 710. Now, when you compare these two, obviously this has 8-inch woofers. This has 6.5-inch woofers. I mean, but really, I mean, they're both really loud speakers. If you want the most bass, you know, between the two, obviously the 710 is going to have the most bass. It has a bigger port on it, bigger woofers on it. It's also cranking out more power. So yeah, the 710 is going to be a little bit better than the 310, and you could probably just hear that in this video. But the 310 is a great speaker. So if you're looking for battery powered with bass, I would say go with the 310. If you don't need battery power and you're going to be plugging it in all the time and you want that bass, I say go with the 710. Both of these JBLs, they have really, really good clarity as far as the vocals go. And that's one thing that I really like about JBLs versus like the new Sonys, for example. And that's why I started going with JBLs. And finally, the LG CK99. I mean, this is just a monster speaker right here, or multiple speakers here. These are 15-inch subs. I mean, these things are like 82 pounds a piece per speaker cabinet. A ton of watts, like 1,250 watts per speaker per 15. And it's just crazy. I mean, if you just want like a ridiculous amount of bass, you just want to knock your house down and have the neighbors calling the cops on you all the time, then the CK99 is definitely going to be for you. Plus, it has some cool party lights, you know, so while there's lights outside, there's going to be lights inside too. Anyhow, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And just to keep in mind, if you do want to see in the video, I have unboxings of the Encore, I have unboxings of the 310, unboxing of the 710. They're all going to be on my channel, and I will leave links in the description for you if you want to take a look at those as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.